Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Hope you're well today. So today I got the new tool from Draper tools. As you can see, it's a little polisher that I'm going to be using today on the MX-5 to polish the headlights. I think it's a perfect opportunity to demonstrate, obviously do a quick review and demo on it. So I'm going to open the box, show you what you got in the box, and obviously then we're going to proceed to trying the product I got and polish the headlights, see if you're going to improve them. Right, so let's open the box, have a look what we got in here. Right, so here we are. We got obviously the polisher, the mini polisher. The quality feels great. So you got the little pad there, so obviously that stays on the gun. And then you got all these different adapters. You can also buy more if you want. So you just stick it on there. You got two different speeds that you can choose as well, depending on what you're doing. So you got the lock on there. And unlock it as well, so the battery comes charged, but obviously I have to charge it fully anyway. So to remove the battery, nice and easy, as you can see. And also you got a handle, which is great for those long jobs that you're going to be polishing something, if you're polishing the car, or it doesn't matter what you're obviously doing. So you got the handle there to make it lighter, but to be honest, the gun is very light, guys. You basically can't even feel it in your hand, so that's brilliant. Obviously you got another pad here. So it's like a set that you got, so 3 pads come with it, and like I said, you can always buy more. So look here, we've got a charger as well. So obviously you've got 1 battery in this kit. If you want to buy more batteries, you can find more of them online on their website. I'm going to put the links in the description below. Obviously if you're going to be working a lot with it, I would recommend getting 1 more battery so you're always on the go. Right, so here we got the MX-5, you might have seen in my previous videos, and I got all the products today that I'm going to need to polish the headlights. So yeah, let's start by getting it wet with this wet polisher, because both the pad on the little gun and also the headlight needs to be wet. You can't have it hot because that will damage your headlight. And also I would recommend cleaning all the imperfections on the headlight first, so it doesn't just carry over scratching everything. So I'm going to give it a quick clean now, and then we're going to be ready to polish it. Right, also before you start polishing, as you can see I moved the car. You need to have the car in the shade because you don't want the direct sun on it as well. So what we're going to do is mask it up, like I said, so we don't damage the bodywork while we're doing it. So just going to mask it up quickly. Right, so that's all done now. Now we're ready to get some wet polish on it. Right, so that'll keep it wet. Also, like I said, we're going to get a bit off on the pad, just a little bit there. And now we're ready to apply our product that we got today to obviously polish the headlights. Just give it a quick shake. That should be enough for now. Probably have to do it a couple of times. So just going to spread it on the headlight. Right, now that we've covered everything, we can start polishing. I'm going to leave it on the speed 1. Right, so as you can see, it's already getting a lot better. What I was going to say, guys, I'm going to use obviously the handle now just to make it easier. I wanted to try it without the handle to see if it makes a lot of difference because it is a light gun. But obviously now I got the handle on. When we're doing this, I would just advise you, make sure you try and keep a steady straight line or go up and down, obviously depending on what's the best way for you, and don't stay too long in one place because it will start overheating. So we're done the first coat. I'm going to do the second one, and then we're going to clean it all off and check the results. There you go, guys. The handle obviously makes a lot of difference. It does help you a lot as well with that. Right, so now we're ready to use our wet polish again and check out the results. Obviously clean all the polish off of there. So we've got the cloth there. There we are, and that is looking awesome. So that is definitely a massive improvement to our headlight. Right, so here we are. Headlight looks spot on. As you can see, the tool worked really well. Happy with it. The handle definitely helps as well. I mean, it worked really well without the handle, to be honest, but with the handle it's a lot easier and steady as well. So 2 different speeds, as you can see there, that you can change quickly depending on what you're doing. The battery life, brilliant. I know I only done 1 headlight, but I charged it really quickly and it didn't lose any life at all pretty much. So yeah, I think the quality is amazing. Like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description below. You can have a look and also check out the rest of the Draper tool range, because I got plenty of stuff in there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, find it helpful for the tool review, and also to find out how to polish your headlights if you need to. And yeah, don't forget to give us a comment, give us a like, subscribe to my channel for any future videos or suggestions that you got as well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.